Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add picture background in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to add picture background to the slide. If we want to do that, first thing first, we can right click on the slide like this, and then you have to choose format background. And if you want to add picture background to your slide, you can select picture or text or fill. Okay, and then you can select the picture source. You can click on insert, and I'm going to choose from a file. I'm just going to open my download folder, and I'm going to add this picture to my slide. We can click on insert, and as you can see that now the background has been changed. Alright guys, then that's all the way to add picture background in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.